Welcome to Lessons 15 of our PowerPoint course, Preparing Presentations for Delivery and Export. Up until now, we have focused on buildings, designing, and polishing slides, but an equally important step is preparing your presentations for delivery, whether there's presenting live, sharing with colleagues, or exporting for online uses. In these lessons, we will cover like setting up slideshow options for smooth delivery, practicing with presenter view, and embeddings, fonts, and media to avoid capability issues, and compressing media for smaller file sizes, and exporting presentations in different formats like video, PDF, and PowerPoint show. And the last one is sharing presentations by OneDrive and collaborations tools. So by the end of these sessions, you will be fully equipped to deliver professionals presentations in any context. Okay, so let's begin with preparing your slides for actual delivery. So for that, I have create a simple presentations like I have showed up with these presentations with examples. So here I want to work with this one. Okay, so go to the slideshow, or here I have like before I want to show you. So here I have the simple transitions and also the animations in there, or before that. So let's click it or make it the animations like that this one, or let's say if I gonna go to like that's one, and that's it. So let's go with, and if I gonna go to with that's one. Okay, so and that's it. So here we have added the simple time or like animations in there. And now go to the slideshow, taps in the PowerPoint ribbon, and here you see options like the setup slideshow and rehearse times or timings and record slideshow. Okay, so under the setups or slideshow, you can choose like how many or how your slides will run. So for example, if you are presenting live, select presented by a speakers like or presented by speakers the full screens. And if you are presenting or presentations will run on a coix or the loop automatically at events. So the or like or you can use or choose browse at the cois, so like the full screen. So this is ensure it loops without manual input. Okay, so and here, so for example, imagine or like we are preparing slides for like trendings with the cryptos, and also you want to or you want them to play automatically without anyone clicking. So by selecting the Kiosk options in there and settings automatically slide, or you can do like slide the automatic slide timings, and your slide loops like the endlessly, perfect for unnetted display. Okay, so like here let's say if I gonna select it and let's open or close it or hit the OK. So now let's go to the from there. So now, and when I do not or I didn't click any slides over here, or I'm not using any keywords in there, so it's automatically working and showing your presentation. So here we have the showing up like the there's one. So now let's explore the presenter view, one of the most powerful delivery tools in PowerPoint. So like here, if I gonna now go to again the setup slides over here, and also we have like the different one, like you can see the presenters views over here, or there we have the options. So like presenters by speakers over here, and their seats we can go with, and also select, and like presenter view lets you your current slides and also the upcoming slides, like use the presenter's view, and your speaker notes, okay, timers and navigations tools. So this makes it easy to stay on tracks without flipping through printed notes. Okay, so suppose you are pitching the to our clients with the presenter's view, or like you can use, or like you can glance at your private notes while your audience only see the slides. Okay, so this keeps your confidence and avoid awkward pauses. And to enable it, so you can do so, go to the go to the or slideshow and use the, here you'll see the use the presenter's view, or use the custom slides over here, or you can see there you'll see the or presenter view by using the setup slideshow, and set here the use, like let's go to and use the use presenter view. You can even preview how it looks like with just your laptops by simulating dual monitors under display settings, like you will use the multiple settings like primary over here, and you can use like the this one. Okay, so this is your, like you can go to, and if you can use also the automatics if you want to use in there. Okay, so that's it. And now that's it, we are setups up or with this one, just you can click on the OK, and when you slide use this one, so it can be shows up so according to your settings. Okay, so now ensuring capability, fonts and media. So let's make sure your presentations looks the same everywhere. So like your fonts, so if you use custom fonts that is not installed onto the another computers, your design may break. To avoid this, embed fonts, so go to the like the file, and now use the options into the bottoms, and use now or use the save over here, and now from there use the embed font in these files. Okay, so here choose like the or embed all characters, and if you want others to edit, or embed only the characters used in the presentations, like this is best for reducing the file size. Okay, and that's it over here. And for the media file, like video and audio can sometimes go missing if you not embed. So PowerPoint like 2016 and later embed them automatically, but it's still good to double check. Okay, so you can go to and check here with the embed fonts in the file. So like here, imagine you have designed slides with the custom fonts, like if I gonna go to, and let's say if I gonna go to the monsters, or let's say let's try to find out something, and let's say the monstrate, or how over here let's say the monserrate, or like the this one. So now we can use like the it's not here, and now you can see we have used in there. So and also if you send the file to the client without embedding it, they might see the Times New Romans instead. Okay, so that ruins the design, and by embedding, you ensure the consistency. So make sure your setup is like go to the file, select the options, and check with the or go to the shapes and check with the embed fonts in the files and embed all characters, and this is best for editing by others people. Then just hit on the OK. Okay, so and that's it. And now, large presentations can be tricky to share via email or upload. So, luckily, like the presentations or PowerPoint has a built-in compress media tool. So, go to the file tabs and click on the info. Okay, and from there, just click on the compress media. Okay, so and if I'm gonna go to, or let's say we want to compress the medias from there, or you can choose something like if I'm gonna go to, or you can have the options to go ahead over here, or you can choose quality labels like the uh, full HD or HD or standards. Like if you use like the this one, or and for example, like 200 MB presentations with several video clips can shrink to like 40 MB with compressings or compressions, while still look good. That makes it much easier to email to your teams. Okay, so now let's move into the export, or let's look at exporting presentations for different purpose. Okay, so like here I have the simple presentations. So first one is export as the video. So for that, simply go to the top's right or top's left corner and click on the file, and now click on the export. Okay, so here simply create a video and also choose the resolutions like full HD or the 4K over here. So and if I'm gonna go to like the full HD 1080 pixels, and also choose the timing and set timings and narrations if recorded, or like over here. So use recorded timings and narrations in that's one, and PowerPoint will render a video file you can upload to YouTube's or social media. So for example, a teacher can export slide as video with the narrations and making it ready to share online lectures. Okay, so for that you can just click over here, and you can now see it, or you can just create the video. Now it's exporting, or before that you need to select the names, or let's say if I'm gonna go to with my simple over here, or let's say I'm gonna want to use and just save it for now. It's now creating video like crypto names, and it's now creating. Okay, so and that's it with the exporting as the video. And now, or let's move into the export as the PDF. So useful for handouts or email attachment. So for that, let's go to again into the file tabs and click on the export, and now choose the create as the PDF or XPS document, and choose whether it's good notes or like the let's create the this one, or also you could choose like whether to include notes or just slides. So like you can use like for like a business consultant might send client as the PDF deck so they can quickly reference key points without opening the PowerPoint. Okay, so when you use it, just hit on the publish it. Now it's now or save is or is now processing, is now or working, or is now save it as the like PDF file. You can just easily see it. Okay, so and that's it. And now let's export as the PowerPoint show or the PPSX. So this format launches directly into slideshow mode when opened. So this is great for automated presentations or clients pitches where you don't want them editing the slide. So for example, like sending a product demo decks to investor as a PowerPoint show makes sure they see the slide as intent, not in edit mode. Okay, so you can go to the here, export it, and from there you can use like these options in there. So or you can create the hand or hands out of here and change the file types if you gonna want to use. So here we have the options to save it with these options. Okay, so and like here PowerPoint shows in there. So this is options, we are just talking in there, or this is the PowerPoint or presentations, and this is the open document presentations, and this is the PowerPoint like 97 and to the 1000 or 2003 presentations, and this is the template, and this is the PowerPoint pictures presentations. Okay, and now finally let's discuss the sharing. So PowerPoint integrates with OneDrive and share points for real-time collaborations. So click on the share in the top right corner and upload or save or this one into your like the OneDrive accounts. So let's go to over here, and now it's now savings, and this is for the examples. Now we are saving like this one, and also now when I save it, now it's connecting to share with the others peoples. Okay, so and that's it, or because it doesn't seems to be OneDrive, so you or you need to or share it or save it into the OneDrives over there. So this allows multiple peoples to edit the same text seamlessly, just like Google Slide. So like here, our marketing teams can collaborate on a campaign pitch decks in real time, so with changes synchronizing instantly across everyone devices. And first you need to select this one into or save it, like if I gonna go to and save like the, or let's go to the over here save as, and make sure it saves into the OneDrives in there. Okay, so and that's it. So now we can just easily work over here. So and that's it. And now so let's wrap up. So to recap, and we have covered like, and here slideshow setups and or like the presenter view for live delivers, and embeddings fonts and media to ensure capabilities, and compressing file to make sharing easier, and exporting in different format like videos, PDFs and PowerPoint shows, and using OneDrive for sharing and collaborations. So mastering these skills ensure that no matter where or how you deliver your presentations, it always looks professional, consistent and polished. So, and in the next lessons, we'll move into advanced tips for interactive presentations and integrating external tools.